Peace, my name is MC Monty.
My name is DC.
And today I'm going to teach my girl DC how to hydro dip her very own shell toe pro models. As you can see, we have matching shell toe pro models, and we're going to create a hydro dipped pro model that match each other. So we're going to do some twin hydro dipping today.
Yeah.
What we wanted to do was we wanted to create a hydro dip pair of shoes that matches our stereo sole B-boy B-girl design freeze. So this one is a t-shirt of me doing a freeze that I designed for the stereo sole clothing line, and we also have her B-girl shirt that just got finished. Her print is coming. So we're gonna have shirts of ourselves doing a cool freeze like this, and you see this paint style art look, and we want to make shoes, hydro dip shoes that match these colors. Yeah. Let's do it.
All right.
So as you can see, we have all the items that we need set up on the table. We have our paint, all the colors we're going to use. We have the ink blue, spring green, poppy red, and sun yellow. We have some gloves to protect our hands while we work, cotton balls, and 100% acetone to strip the paint, the factory finish, off of the shoes, so that when we dip them, the paint will hold. We have some masking tape and an Exacto knife so that we can tape off the parts that we don't want to paint. And we're going to finish it with Mod Podge, clear acrylic sealer. So after the paint dries, we're going to seal it with Mod Podge. As you can see, DC is taking out her shoestrings. That's the first step. After we get the shoestrings out, we have to tape the shoes using masking tape. You can also use painter's tape. Let's get to it.
MC Monty, yo, I came to rock, and you know I'm gonna take it straight to the top. MRDC, yeah, we came to rock, and you know we gonna take it straight to the top. Once upon a time, not long ago, I was a street artist, spraying tags on the go, backpacking the dream to go all city. Everywhere I went, I had my spray cans with me, trying to be like Basquiat or Fat Five Freddy, a legend in the streets before the age of 20. Whether writing bubble letters or creating my own style, I'm doing it big, like the movie Wild Style. In the subway tunnels or on the billboard, my name would be known in all the city wars. Take a look.
Shoes are all taped up, and now it's time to put on our gloves. Now it's time to put on our gloves and use the acetone and cotton balls to strip the factory finish off the white parts. And then after that, we're going to be able to dip them, and they will hold the new paint. Yeah.
Once upon a time, not long ago, I was a b-boy breakdancing on the floor. I had the freshest sneakers with the fat laces. Used to spin and freeze in all the tight places. Battle my homies on the block. Every time the beat drops, we would pop.
All right, as you can see, the shoes are done. They're taped. They've been stripped. Now it's time for the fun part.
Yeah.
We're going to take our paint to the bathroom, fill up the tote, and get to painting. Let's hydro dip some shoes. Yeah. All right, as you can see, we're filling up our tote with warm water. Have to use warm water. Let the water get hot, then fill it up. Cannot use cold water because it will not work. So as soon as this gets full enough to where we need it, we're gonna spray our design with our colors. We're using the blue, the green, the red, and the yellow.
I'm writing my name.
Writing my name in graffiti on the wall. Hey.
Writing rap songs in graffiti.
Pop and lock. We started the whole culture we call hip hop. From the ghettos of New York, can't stop, won't stop. Gat down to the funk way before disco. James Brown helped the b-boys find their soul. DJ Kool Herc had the jams on lock. Flash and Bambaataa took it over the top. All the legendary breakers came to rock. Crazy Legs and Mr. Waves was set off the spot. It was all real, everything we saw, and it came from the heart, cause we're down by law. That's good.
Yes. Let's dip. So you go slow, dip like this. And you try to get all the colors, push it all the way through. You clear the paint out the way. Then you bring it back out.
Wow.
And
That's fresh.
that's gonna dry.
I was an MC, the original. I had the freshest sneakers and my Kango gold chain on with my old school flow. I used to kick raps with my homies on the block, and every time the beat dropped, we had the rhymes on lock. If it wasn't for us, you wouldn't know hip hop. They played our raps on the radio, we made it hot.
Grab that shoe. Grab the edges. Make sure your fingers aren't sticking up. Yep. Don't do like I did. Get a good area where you're getting all the colors. Slow. Yep. Slow. Yep. And then get the rest of it down in there. Then push it all the way past. Then, actually, don't move.
Yo, I came to rock, and you know I'm gonna take it straight to the top. MRDC, yeah, we came to rock, and you know we gonna take it straight to the top. Once upon a time, not long ago, I was a street artist, spraying tags on the go, backpacking the dream to go all city everywhere I went. I had my spray cans with me, trying to be like Basquiat or Bad Five Freddy, a legend in the streets before the age of 20. Whether writing bubble letters or creating my own style, I'm doing it big, like the movie Wild Style. In the subway tunnels or on the billboard, my name will be known in all the city wars. Take a look in the ghetto where everything is dead. I can make it come to life with just a spray can. It was me that made the beauty you see. Open your eyes, the colors don't lie. It was all real, everything we saw, and it came from the heart, cause we're down by law. MC Monty, yo, I came to rock, and you know I'm gonna take it straight to the top. MRDC, yeah, we came to rock, and you know we gonna take it straight to the top. Once upon a time, not long ago, I was a b-boy breakdancing on the floor. I had the freshest sneakers with the fat laces. Used to spin and freeze in all the tight places. Battle my homies on the block. Every time the beat drops, we would pop and lock. We started the whole culture we call hip-hop. From the ghettos of New York, can't stop, won't stop. Got down to the funk way before disco. James Brown helped.
All right, let's let these dry, and let's see how they turned out. Yeah. Okay, we finished hydro dipping. We let the shoes dry overnight, and now DC is taking her tape off to reveal her cool new hydro dipped design. What you think so far?
It's amazing.
Yeah?
Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh, so clean.
All right, after we hydro dipped, what did we do? What was that last little special something we added?
We added some, we threw some gold paint at the shoe just to give it a little bit of extra glitz, because we always like to be extra.
We did a little gold splatter / gold paint drizzle. Give it some extra pop.
Look at that clean tongue.
Look at that. Hey.
There's one.
First time hydro dipping. I think it's a success.
I think it looks awesome.
Yeah.
So satisfying.
We got mine over here. Take a look at my big foot. So we got so far. I'm still taking the paint off my tongue. DC gonna help me out since I'm filming right now. But that was dope. I think I'm happy with that. And the gold splatter looks fresh. Let's see how my first shoe came out. Wow. It's pretty fresh. I'm not mad at that.
Yeah, that looks amazing.
Yeah. All right, we're going to finish untaping both of our shoes, and then we're going to show you the final product.
Yeah.
All right, so we have completed the hydro dipping process. You saw us tape off our shoes and use acetane to strip the factory finish. You saw us hydro dip them, and then to finish the process and add a little bit more sparkle, DC wanted to splatter some gold. So we did a little gold drip, gold splatter as the last layer, and I think they turned out really fresh. What do you think?
I think they're amazing.
You like them?
Yes.
All right, so our goal was to create a shoe that would match our cool paint design style image of us doing a freeze on the t-shirt, the B-boy, B-girl freeze. And we used the colors to match the shirt.
Yes.
I think it turned out pretty fresh.
Hey.
I think we got a matching outfit.
Hey.
Yeah, a custom t-shirt
Yeah.
and some custom shoes to match. Successful hydro dip.
Absolutely.
That's what's up.
And FYI, we got these shoes for real cheap on Poshmark. You can get plain white shoes like this on eBay. You can even get them at the thrift store. This is a really cheap and easy DIY fun project. You can make your own one-of-a-kind custom kicks for next to nothing. So keep that in mind.
So we got the shoes on Poshmark for $15 each. And we also got paint, spray paint from Walmart for $3 each. We bought 4 cans of paint. So the paint cost $12. Our shoes cost $15. We just created a custom pair of kicks for under $30.
Yeah, $21 each is what it comes out to. So if you were to buy something like this from a custom shoemaker, it'd be at least $100.
At least $100. I mean, if someone asked me to do this for them or sell one of these, I wouldn't go below 50. So, you know, we just made some custom shoes.
That said, if you do want this and you don't know if you're down to go through the trouble of doing it yourself, you can check out MC Monty on Facebook or on Instagram. Hit him up there and we can make you a pair of shoes any color you want, any size, any style that can be yours for definitely less than $100.
Definitely. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for watching the video. We hope you enjoy watching our process. We are very satisfied with our new custom sneakers. We love them. We hope you love them too. Like and subscribe. Stay in tune. Peace.
Peace.
Hey.